My voice is clear now? Please reply. Okay. Okay. Please reply only on admin. Is equal to. Now, x cube. Again, the power is raised to minus 1. So it becomes x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. Now, there are two methods. First, the standard method, which is supposition method. Consider for x raised to 4 plus 1. So, let's proceed. Let x raised to 4 plus 1 is equal to t. Therefore, 4x cube dx is equal to dt. Therefore, x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. Okay. So, now I is equal to, again, x cube dx is replaced with 1 by 4 dt. 1 by 4 dt. So, I is equal to 1 upon x raised to 4 plus 1 t into 1 by 4 dt. Again, 1 by 4 is a constant term. So 1 by 4. Don't change the place. Last. Log mod t plus c is equal to 1 by 4. What is t? Log mod x raised to 4 plus 1 plus c. This one is your standard method. This sum is very important for MCQ. What is the shortcut method? Yes, exactly. F dash x upon fx. Shortcut is I is equal to x cube x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. The derivative of d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 1 is 4x cube. Therefore, I is equal to divide and multiply by 4. So 1 by 4, 4x cube, x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. So 1 upon 4 log mod x raised to 4 plus 1 plus c. This one is your shortcut method. No need to write this kind of steps. You can do it orally. Agar they are asking MCQ, directly 1 by 4 and multiply by 4 in question paper and tick mark your correct answer. Okay. So now go for 17. Last last. F dash I is equal to F dash ax plus b into f of ax plus b whole raised to n integration dx. Again, this one is a direct formula. This one is your f dash x d by dx of f of ax plus b is equal to d by dx, only this part, d by dx of f of ax plus b is equal to f dash ax plus b. Again, derivative of this part is a. So we need a. So multiply and divide by a. Multiply and divide by a. Therefore, I is equal to 1 upon a integration a f dash ax plus b into f of ax plus b whole raised to n dx. Okay, so now this one is your f dash x and this one is your fx. Okay, so the original formula is, what is the original formula? Integration of fx into f dash x dx is equal to fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. According to this formula, here the power is also n. So f of ax plus b whole raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into ये 1 upon a. So a plus c. This one is your answer. Got it? Shortcut method. Derivative of this is a into f dash x ax plus b. F dash ax plus b is given. So multiply and divide by a. So a into a. Now it's become the derivative of this part. So f dash x into fx. According to this formula, ये हो गया हमारा fx into f dash x. So formula is power है n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here the power is itself n. So it becomes n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Got it? Okay. All of you clear now? Please reply. Reply only on admin. Okay. Okay. Now go for 18th one. Again, 18 has a key step. In your practice work, योगी में जो भी मेथड है is slightly different जो मैं करवाने वाला because in yogi they have done all the supposition method by UV rule. वो UV rule है ना थोड़ा सा complicated हो जाता है. So we are not doing this method. Okay. Now now 18th one I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root sine cube x into sine of x plus alpha dx. Now first into bracket we are knowing a consider up for the bracket only, but in bracket there is two terms. First one is sine cube and second is sine x plus alpha. We try to remove sine cube x out of the square root. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? साइन क्यूब को स्क्वायर रूट में से निकालने के लिए if it has a power 4, if it has a power 4, the whole term is coming out from the square root. So we are multiplying and divide by. Multiply and divide by sin x. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा sin raised to 4x into sin x plus alpha upon sin x dx. This one is your key step. This one is your key step. If you don't remember this step, you cannot do anything. Okay, so this one is your key step. Sin alpha, sin raised to 4x into. So now it's become 1 upon sin square x into bracket sin x plus alpha upon sin x dx. Now, as you know, considering for this root term, so we are consider for this term. So let sin x plus alpha upon sin x is equal to क्या consider करेंगे t. Therefore now applying u by v rule, so sin x remain as it is. Derivative of this is cos x plus alpha minus sin x plus alpha remain as it is into cos x upon sin square x dx is equal to dt. Now again, as you know, देखो s c alpha a b तो कौन सा? This is a formula for SCCS. U by V rule. Derivative of U by V rule. Applying. देखो. There sin x. The denominator. What is U by V rule? D by dx of U by V is equal to V remain as it is U dash. U remain as it is V dash upon V square. This one is our formula. So according to this formula, sin x remain as it is. Derivative of sin cos. Again, the derivative of bracket is 1 minus sin first term. U remain as it is. Derivative of sin is cos upon sin square x. Clear? Okay. Now, again, SCCS, as you know, SC minus CS. So, S A plus B, according to this formula. नहीं समझ में आया? SCCS. All the trigonometric formula you have to remember. Sorry, A minus B. A minus B. So applying this formula here, sin x, हम जो x plus alpha है उसको ले लेते हैं. X plus alpha minus x upon sin square x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So now x gets cancelled. Therefore, sin alpha upon sin square x dx is equal to dt. But तुझे नहीं क्रिश बात करा दो मैं सोनल मैडम ने थोड़ा क्लियर सर्टेन है. Don't talk. Your syllabus is not completed. यानी हमने ये फर्स्ट टर्म ले ली, कोई भी ले, ओके माइनस x minus x minus alpha gets cancelled. Okay, sign of minus alpha is minus sin alpha. Okay, so minus sin alpha upon sin square x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, 1 upon sin square x dx is equal to minus 1 upon sin alpha dt. Okay, got it? Now, substitute in I. Now, I is equal to, now I is equal to, again, dx, our dx, this one, 1 upon sin square x and dx. This whole term is replaced with minus 1 upon sin alpha dx. So, minus 1 upon sin alpha integration. Sin alpha is a constant term. So, that's why we write it in outermost. Okay. Now, 1 upon, this one is replaced with t. So, it becomes root t dt is equal to minus 1 upon sin alpha. Again, root t hai. So, integration of t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt is equal to minus 1 upon sin alpha t raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So, it becomes 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. So, 2 going to numerator minus 2 upon sin alpha t. Our t is replaced with this one. So, sin x plus alpha upon sin x whole raised to 1 by 2 plus c. Now, this one is your final answer. 1 by 2 है उसको square bracket में लिख दो, square root में लिख दो. So, this one is your final answer. Clear this sum? Please reply only on admin. Clear all of you? Okay. Now, साइन के साथ क्या है x और यहाँ पे यानी दिस वन इज योर a, x प्लस अल्फा इज योर b से, तो समझ में आ गया? Got it? Now go for डेरिवेटिव है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन है ये हमारा, सिंप्लीफिकेशन. Uh, 19th one. Again, 19th one is important. Again, it has a key step. Yes, Preet. Unmute yourself and tell.
मैम 18 वाली स्प्रिंग कर दो जरा.
हाँ.
आमा फर्स्ट हाफ में जो लास्ट स्टेप છે ને x minus alpha.
हाँ.
अल्फा माइनस कैसे થયું મને એ ખબર ના પડી. अल्फा प्लस
Okay.
नहीं आवे, x
What
प्लस
is
अल्फा
A?
माइनस
What is
x.
B? That you know.
Yes.
Our x is A and x plus alpha is B. Okay.
Yes.
So our original formula is sine of A minus B. So sine A becomes x minus B becomes x minus alpha. Sorry, x plus alpha. So sine x minus alpha. Get it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth one. Sorry. 19th one. 19th one. I is equal to integration of sine inverse root x. No, don't dx. See the sum carefully. Did you get it? Anything? What about denominator? Exactly. The denominator becomes pi by 2. So first, therefore, I is equal to denominator becomes pi by 2. Now in numerator, there are again two different terms, sine inverse, cos inverse. We are convert the whole term into one form. So sine inverse root x minus, we can write it as pi by 2 minus cos inverse, sorry, sine inverse sine inverse root x dx. Now the whole term is converted into one form, which is sine inverse root x. Now pi by 2 is your constant term. So it's write it as 2 by pi integration. Integration sine inverse root x minus pi by 2 plus sine inverse root x dx. Again simplification, pi by sine inverse root x, sine inverse root x. 2 sine inverse root x minus pi by 2 dx, pi by 2 dx. Okay. Now separate out integration sign. So 2 by pi multiply by with this term. So it becomes 4 by pi integration of sine inverse root x dx. Again minus 2 by pi integration pi by 2 dx. Therefore 4 by pi, 4 by pi. This term, this term, we can write it as I1, I1 minus, पानी गिर रहा है? बंद कर दे? Minus of 1 dx. So 4 by pi I1 minus x, I is equal to plus C, equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. Now solving I1. Okay. Yes, depend. Yes. Now I1 is equal to. Now, I1 is equal to integration of sine inverse root x dx. Again, our standard method, consider about root. So root x is equal to t. So at x is equal to t square. Root x is equal to t. Therefore, x is equal to t square. Therefore, dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay. Therefore, I1 is equal to integration of sine inverse root x is equal to t into dx is replaced with 2t dt is equal to 2 common t sine inverse t dt sine inverse t dt. Again, applying u into v rule. U into v rule. Please reply in chat. What is UV rule? Write the formula. Anyone else? Yes. This one. Mahek. Mahek na? Komal. Komal M. U into V rule. In integration UV form. No idea. Ria Patel. Yes. What is UV rule? Again, wrong. Krish. Jainam. Hmm? Wrong. Priyam. No. Ketansu. Wrong. Wrong. Yes. Yes. Exactly. I got only one correct answer. If you don't remember formula, आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता फिर खुद देख लेना अपने हिसाब से. Formula is must. Okay. So what is your UV rule? UV. So U V dx minus d by dx of U integration V dx whole dx. This one is your formula. Now applying this formula. Again, according to LIATE. What is your U? LIATE. What is your LIATE? I comes first. That means inverse. So U. So this one is our U. And this one is our V. So now applying this formula. Applying this formula. So 2. Sine inverse root T. Sorry, sine inverse T into integration of T dt minus integration of d by dt of sine inverse T into integration of T dt whole dt. Okay. Now, bracket is must. Every step has a bracket and bracket is must. तभी आप term separate कर सकते हो. Okay. Now 2 sine inverse T T square by 2 minus integration. Derivative of sine inverse t. Derivative of sine inverse t. Wrong. Anvesha. Jainis. 1 minute. Deep. Derivative of sine inverse t. Come 1 upon under root. Yes, honey. Okay. 1 upon under root 1 minus t square into again t square by 2 dt. T square by 2 dt. Now again suppose अगर आपको यहाँ पे करने में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो again you consider this step as I2, simplifying individually and put the here. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे साथ में ही कर रहे हैं. Okay. So is equal to 2 into t square sine inverse t upon 2 minus integration of, again 1 by 2 is a constant term. 1 by 2 is a constant term. So we can write it here. T square upon under root 1 minus t square. T square under root 1 minus t square dt. Again, try to reduce your denominator. So क्या करेंगे हम लोग? What we do? T square है. In numerator it has t square. Multiply and divide by minus 1. Minus 2. Adding and subtracting by 1. Okay. So क्या मिल जाएगा हमको? Again, first 2 है, इसको multiply कर देते हैं. So it becomes t square sine inverse t. 2 gets cancelled. Same way, 2 gets cancelled. It becomes now t square minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus t square dt. Got it? Please reply. This step is clear now? Please reply in chat. Okay. Okay. Now, is equal to t square sine inverse t minus 1 minus t square है. So plus 1 हम first लिख देंगे. Plus 1. Or from these two steps, minus sign taking out as a common. So it becomes 1 minus t square under root 1 minus t square. Be careful with sign. Be careful with sign. At the end, अगर sign में कुछ भी changes आया, the whole answer is different. Okay. So t square sine inverse t minus, again separate out individually. So minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square dt plus minus minus plus minus minus plus again 1 minus t square or root है. 1 root cancels. So it becomes integration of root of 1 minus t square dt. Get it? Please reply in chat. Please reply in chat. Okay. Okay. Now, applying formula. Integration formula. T square sine inverse t minus integration of 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. Vedansi. खुशी, नो. आर्ची, यस देवम. તારે મને કહેવાનું છે. યસ. જુગલ. Okay. For this one, sin inverse t. What about this one? Root of x square minus a square. જુઓ હવે, જુઓ. What is the 1 upon x square minus a square? Yes, Hans. Both the formula has sin inverse, but slight different. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1 upon t square. That means 1 upon. What is the original formula? 1 minute. What is our formula? 1 upon under root x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square minus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c, and integration of x square minus a square dx is sin inverse x by a plus c. X square. Got it? क्या? क्या करी? एक मिनट. पर दोनों के लिए आप फॉर्मूला बताओ. और व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन, a square minus x square? ओके. तो दोनों फॉर्मूला में साइन इनवर्स आ रहा है, ये आपको याद रखना है. लेकिन कौन सा कहाँ पे आ रहा है वो आपको याद रखना है. कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. गॉट इट? अभी तक इसको फॉर्मूला नहीं मिली है. This one is your x square minus a square. A square minus under root a square minus x square. Under root a square minus x square. Okay. Sin inverse. Sin inverse क्या आ जाएगा हमारा? t plus sin inverse t. Now integration of under root 1 minus t square. So it becomes t by 2 under root 1 minus t square plus 1 upon 2 sin inverse t plus c. First simplify this one. Simplify करते हैं थोड़ा सा. So t square sin inverse t. एक मिनट. यहाँ पे देखो साइन इनवर्स टी, साइन इनवर्स टी, साइन इनवर्स टी, साइन inverse t. All the three term has sin inverse t. So taking sin inverse t as a common, sin inverse t as a common. So sin inverse t into t square minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. Got it? Okay. Now last step, plus t by 2 under root 1 minus t square plus c. Okay. Now get simplification. Okay. I is equal, sorry, I1 is equal to क्या था हमारा sin inverse, sin inverse t, t square minus 1, sorry, plus 1 या minus 1 plus 1 upon t minus t plus t by 2 plus t by 2 under root 1 minus t square plus c. I1 है, so we are putting here c1. Okay, so sin inverse t into t square 2t square और ये -2 plus 1, so -1 upon 2 plus t by 2 under root 1 minus t square plus c1. Got it? Now replace your t. What is t? What is t? t is root x. t is root x. So replace t. Sin inverse root x 2 t square है तो x, so 2x minus 1 upon 2 plus root x upon 2 under root 1 minus x plus c1. Substitute I1. This one is your I1. Substitute I1 in equation 1. Therefore, I is equal to, what is our I? I is 4 by pi I1. 4 by pi into I1. 4 by pi. So, 4 by pi I1 is sin inverse root x 2x minus 1 upon 2 plus root x upon 2 1 minus x plus, sorry, क्या था minus x plus c. So minus x plus c directly c1 cancel हो गया c आ जाएगा. Clear? Please see the sum carefully once again. I wait for 2 minutes. Please see the sum carefully. This one is for 4 marks. This one is your first time. That's why आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि it's too long. अगर आप करने बैठोगे तो इट्स मैक्सिमम 3 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा, 2 to 3 मिनट्स हो जाता है. No shortcuts for this method. Okay, all of you clear? All of you clear now? Please reply. Please reply. Clear? Okay. Now, 20. अब यहाँ हमें पसीना से. Okay. Now start with 20. 20. 20. I is equal to integration of under root 1 minus root x 1 plus root x dx. डिपेंड वो लास्ट पे करवाएंगे. 8th 1 वो लिंक ब्रेक, वरना लिंक ब्रेक हो जाएगा. डिपेंड. क्लियर? इट है. ओके. नाउ 20. I is equal to, again this one is very important. What is the formula for 1 minus x 1 minus 1 plus cos? Sorry, 1 plus x. What you consider for x? So you get anything. x को क्या कंसीडर करेंगे? cos. Only cos. हाँ, yes. Under root x है. हाँ, under root x. Your original formula is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. It becomes tan square theta by 2. Tan square theta by 2. So for that we are consider for x is equal to, let x is equal to cos square theta. Therefore dx is equal to 2 cos theta minus sin theta d theta. Got it? Okay, now substitute this one. Now substitute I is equal to integration of under root 1 minus directly, okay, cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now dx is replaced with this one minus 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Sorry, d theta. Again थोड़ा सा और करते हैं. अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा, वो क्या हो जाएगा tan स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2. सो our theta becomes half. So the tan theta by 2 again convert into sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. So in denominator you get cos theta by 2. तो उसको कट करने के लिए हमको अगेन cos theta by 2 लाना पड़ेगा. तो अगेन what करते हैं? This one is tan square theta by 2 minus 2 sin theta cos theta d theta is equal to integration tan theta by 2 tan theta by 2 minus 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Now the tan theta by 2 minus sign is here. Also 2. Tan is converted into sin and cos form. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into minus 2. यहाँ पे आ गया sin is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? Devam. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? Don't remember. That's why you ask about for these two. Please. आप यहाँ पे हमारा जितने भी ब्रेक्स आए ना वो फॉर्मूला की वजह से आए. So first आप उसको लर्न करो फॉर्मूला. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta in formula 2. So that's why 2 comes here. Theta gets up. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Is equal to cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 gets cancelled. 2 into 2 minus 4 sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 sin square theta by 2 into cos theta d theta. Again sin square theta by 2 sin square. Again trigonometric function as a power. So उसको लीनियर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. लीनियर फॉर्म. तो साइन स्क्वायर को लीनियर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कौन सी फॉर्मूला है? Yes, exactly. 1 minus cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta by 2. So minus 4. 1 minus cos theta by 2 into cos theta. If you don't remember any formula, अब अद्भुत તમને જાદુ લાગશે. લેક્ચર બધા પછી જતી વખત કરજો. Okay. Theta double. What is the original formula? Cos 2 theta. What is the original formula? Cos 2 theta for sin 2 theta. 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. One minus 2 sin square theta cos 2 theta sin square theta. तो sin square theta तो cos theta double. तो theta by 2 है. So theta double. So theta. What if? Okay. All of you clear now? Please reply in chat. How to write this one? Theta get double. Please reply. Okay. Okay. Now cos theta. Now multiply. Again multiply cos. Again 4 and 2 है. So 2 to the 4. So minus 2 integration cos theta minus cos square theta d theta. Again you get cos square theta. What is the formula for cos square theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 theta. अभी इंटीग्रेट कहाँ किया है? इंटीग्रेशन तो किया ही नहीं है. आफ्टर इंटीग्रेट यू पुट द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू. बट इंटीग्रेट ये तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन ही चल रहा है. इंटीग्रेशन तो कब होगा? आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ सिंप्लीफिकेशन यू इंटीग्रेट. बट यहाँ पे तो अभी कोई फॉर्म ही नहीं जनरेट हो रहा है, तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन ही चल रहा है. cos theta remain as it is. Again cos square theta is converted into linear form. So applying linear form. एक मिनट, कौन सा था लास्ट टर्म हमारी थी? 1 minus 2. Okay. I is equal to minus 2 cos theta minus cos square theta d theta. So minus 2 integration of cos theta minus 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 theta. 2 theta upon 2. Don't forget to double the theta. Theta को डबल करना है आपको. 2 theta. The major mistake is here. 2 theta रह जाता है. Okay. Minus 2. Separate out individually. Integration. So minus 2 into this one. So minus 2 cos theta d theta minus 2 gets cancelled. Again 1 by 2 है. So minus 1 d theta. 2 gets cancelled. Again separate out individually. So minus 1 d theta minus cos 2 theta d theta. Now it's possible to integrate all the terms. Okay. Now, minus sign going to in bracket. Minus, 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 plus. Okay, both the terms are plus. So, अला minus, minus, plus. यहाँ से ही plus हो गया. So minus 2. वो आगे से देखना पड़ेगा. आपका ध्यान था? Minus 2. Integration of cos theta is yes, Deepen. Unmute yourself and tell.
મેમ આ ડિનોમિનેટર માં છે ને 2 અહીંયા તો એનું શું થયું?
हाँ?
યસ મેમ, હા યસ.
ये 2 इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो 2 गेट्स कैंसल.
ओके मैम.
क्लियर?
यस मैम.
थीटा नॉट माइनस साइन थीटा. साइन थीटा प्लस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 थीटा प्लस साइन 2 theta upon 2 plus c. Again the substitution part is also difficult because you are considered for theta cos square theta. और सपोजिशन क्या है हमारा? x is equal to cos square theta. X is equal to cos square theta. Therefore root x is equal to cos theta. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse root x. Got it? तो ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन पार्ट रहेगा हमारा. So therefore I is equal to minus 2. Again So under root 1 minus cos squared theta. You don't have to write pi by 2 minus sign. It is the formula for inverse form. It is a simple trigonometric form. 1 minus cos squared theta. देखो क्या क्या हो रहा है देखो प्लस थीटा इज रिप्लेस विथ cos इनवर्स अगेन थीटा रिमेन एज इट इज अगेन sin 2 थीटा है वी आर कंसीडर फॉर ओनली थीटा सो 2 थीटा को थीटा में कन्वर्ट करना है तो अगेन यू सब्स्टिट्यूट 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा अपॉन 2 प्लस c clear all of you please reply. This step is clear, all of you. I get only one reply. Okay. Is equal to minus 2. Now substitute. 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus cos square theta x plus theta cos inverse root x plus sin theta. Again sin theta है under root 1 minus cos square. ये आपने आगे किया है. So we can write it here directly. Under root 1 minus x. Again cos theta. Root x plus c. Now this one is your final answer. श्वास ले लो. समझ में आया? All of you clear now? Please reply. Now you can understand how important the formula. All trigonometrics formula you have to remember. Whole chapter. Take a 2-minute break. Depend if you have any doubt after completing the session. After completing the session, you call me at the evening. I clear all the doubts because individual doubts है उसके लिए टाइम अभी हम कंज्यूम नहीं करेंगे कुछ भी कोई भी टाइम नहीं बिगाड़ेंगे जो आपका पर्सनल डाउट है तो एक दिन आप स्कूल पे आ सकते हो या फिर मुझे कॉल करना बाद में क्लियर डिपेंड ओके यस डिपेंड अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ
yes ma'am.
यस
મેમ આ sin theta નું root 1 minus x કેવી રીતે તો મને એ નહીં
व्हाट
ખબર
इज sin थीटा अंडर रूट 1 minus cos square थीटा
yes ma'am.
तो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे हमने जो लिखा 1 minus x तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लिख दिया रूट ऑफ 1 minus x
okay ma'am. okay
क्लियर
yes ma'am.
ओके Now 21. 2 मिनट हो गई 10:50 को बोला था 10:50 21. I is equal to integration of plus cos 2x e raised to x has only one formula. What is the formula for e raised to x? Yes, exactly. Yes, Vedansi. Formula. Yes. E raised to, what is the formula for e raised to x? E raised to x fx plus f dash x dx e raised to x fx plus c. This one is your formula. So into bracket आपको क्या लाना है fx plus f dash x. So first simplify all the sin 2x, convert it into simple form. So x. So sin 2x becomes I is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Again, cos 2x into converted into x form. 1 plus cos 2x. 2 cos square x. Yes. 2 cos square x. Don't forget to write e raised to x. E raised to x dx. Now to separate out individually. So 2 upon 2 cos square x. 2 upon 2 cos x. 2 gets cancelled. 2 upon 2 cos square x. 2 gets cancelled. What about 1 upon cos square x? So we can write it here. Sec square x. Now again separate. 2 sin x cos x. 2 cos square x. 2 gets cancelled. Cos cancel. 10x. E raised to x dx. Now this one is your f dash x. This one is your fx. So according to formula, e raised to x 10x plus c. This one is your answer. Important for MCQ. इतना सारा करके यही पता चलेगा कि किसने शोधा ये इंटीग्रेशन ऐसा हो सकता है थोड़ा सा ऐसा ही फिर कुछ ऐसा ही हो जाएगा आपका एग्जैक्टली इट्स कंप्लीटली जोक चलो आगे चलते हैं अभी अभी तो 10:57 हुआ है Okay, take a 2 minute break. Only 2 minutes. Start. I is equal to अब 23 डायरेक्टली कर रहे हैं because again 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Again consider x is equal to only cos theta because here x only. That's why let x is equal to cos theta. Therefore dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. Okay. First, remember the formula. First, learn all the formulas. If you remember the formulas, I is equal to x is equal to cos theta, dx is equal to minus sin theta, girls. I is equal to integration of tan inverse under root 1 minus x cos theta 1 plus cos theta into minus sin theta d theta is equal to minus sign, put it here, integration tan inverse क्रिस और जैनम दोनों नहीं निकलेंगे तो ये आगे के सभी सम आप खुद कर लेना। हाँ, नीचे लेने से एक्सरसाइज इज कंप्लीटेड। tan inverse under root 1 minus cos 1 plus cos. So directly I write it here tan under root tan square theta by 2. So tan theta by 2 into sin theta d theta is equal to minus integration of tan inverse tan. Cancel out each other. So theta by 2 into sin theta d theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2 integration of theta sin theta d theta. UV rule 1 by 2 theta d theta. Your u is theta and v is sin theta. Clear? So theta integration of sin theta d theta minus derivative of theta, which is 1. So I write it here directly 1. Again, integration of sin theta. Integration of sin theta d theta d theta. So minus 1 upon 2 theta. Again, please remember, integration of sin is minus cos. So minus cos theta minus integration of minus cos theta d theta. So simplification minus sign. तो यहाँ से कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं माइनस साइन. ओके, minus 1 upon 2 minus theta cos theta minus minus plus integration of cos theta, which is sin theta, plus c सी। समझ में आया? माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कॉस इज साइन. ओके, सो नाउ therefore I is equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus क्या था हमारा? माइनस थीटा cos थीटा प्लस sin theta plus c. Okay, so minus 1 upon 2. What is our theta? Theta is equal, sorry, x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, so यहाँ पे directly first minus theta cos theta plus 1 minus cos square theta plus c. Therefore, I is equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus theta cos inverse root x cos theta x minus under root 1 minus x square plus c. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 2 minus n ब्रैकेट में ले लेते हैं. So cos inverse root x into
मैम
yes.
આ cos inverse x આવશે root x નહીં આવે.
एक मिनट ना. Cos inverse x cos inverse x into x minus sorry minus and minus so plus यहाँ पे भी plus है so it becomes minus this one is your final answer. Got it? Clear all of you? Okay. 22 and 24 next lecture में करेंगे लेकिन एग्जाम्पल 37 ये कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगा वरना ओके का एग्जाम्पल 37 इज लास्ट वन. यस एग्जाम्पल 37 I is equal to last I is equal to integration of cos 6x root 1 plus sin 6x dx. ओके कैसे करोगे बता. 1 plus let 1 plus sin 6x is equal to t. Therefore, 6 cos 6x 6 cos 6x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, cos of 6x dx 1 upon 6 dt. Therefore, I is equal to integration of 1 upon 6, write it here, under root t dt. Clear? समझ में आया यहाँ तक? Okay. So 1 upon 6 t raised to 1 by 2. So t raised to 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1. So t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 upon 3 into 6. T is replaced with 1 plus sine 6x whole raised to 3 by 2. Again 3. So 1 upon 9, 1 plus sine 6x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. I is equal to समझ में आया यहाँ तक? अभी शुरू से पहले से आप और एक स्लाइड देख लो अच्छे से, अगर कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो। फर्स्ट स्लाइड वो બધા હેંગ થઈ ગયા છે ઉભો એક મિનિટ ફર્સ્ટ વન फोर्थ वन क्लियर एक मिनट 19 रैंक कौन सा है? यस यस वो तो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं। ओके नाउ एंड द सेशन हियर।